Hey.
Oh, hi. Okay. We got really bored. So, we're just sitting here. You know, sitting here. Not doing anything. I wonder who that could be. Oh my gosh, why is the doorbell ringing outside? I think I'm losing my mind. Oh, ew, there's a piece of camera. Ew. What do you want? Who's there? Hello? Yeah, this is a crazy song. Oh, great. Gosh, stupid doorbell. But yeah, that's cool. Oh, yeah. Okay. Whoa! Okay. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay. Don't mind my messed up hair. Same. We're about to go to the movies, so we don't care. Yeah. We have to fix it later. I've got mail! I didn't know that. How could I not know I don't know! Oh my gosh, I have mail. Yep, she got mail. Oh well. Whoa. It shouldn't be going that. Yeah. It's like, just like that. Can you stop? I'm sorry. Smart. Delivered. Awesome. My favorite. So, in case you can't see this, we're outside. This and this, yeah, they look fake, but it's real scenery. See, look. Oh, wow. This is actual death. I'm actually touching. See? We are actually outside. Isn't my, scenery beautiful? It's sexy. No. It looks actually really cool. Yeah. Looks like something you'd see in a movie. Yeah. Looks cool. Well, instead of being an actual movie, this is going to be our movie for you. As my butt just hangs off this thing. I didn't think you need to know that, but... That was awesome. Yay. Yay. Okay. Oh gosh, here she goes. This thing screamed when I fell. Okay. That was my name. I went to the doctor today, and I got 43 shots in my same arm. Why are there ducks outside? They're gonna die, it's too cold out. What? What? You want me to sing those? I want to sing those. Ow, my butt hurts. Thanks a lot. I love it. We're trying to do something, so we're recording a video. You want to be our guest? Okay. Okay. Bye. Sorry, I had to do that. You know.
I know.
Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Oh my god.
Like, sounds like my brain rattling around because I have like a really small one.
Oh?
No, I'm kidding.
You sure?
I have a big brain.
May I ask what this is?
That's for my phone.
Was it you and Ashley?
No, me. Hold on, let me see. Ow, my butt is not pushing my heart. This is from like 4th grade. It was me, Stephanie, Sabrina.
Where did you get it from?
The movie.
They have that at the movie?
Yo,
We should still get one. No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Or at least they used to.
They do, but I don't think it's
okay.
much of them. I'm coming. Yeah. Why? Don't be shy.
Hey guys, I have a guest. But first, before our magical guest comes on, we are going to play some tropical music to welcome her. Please enjoy this new music as our guest star is walking in. Okay. Well, welcome guest star.
Oh, hi.
So, would you like to do a dancing segment for us?
No.
Well then, why are you here?
I was different.
Just as much as you remind your bartender ain't a second better. So I get mad, nobody else tripping. Alright, booyah! Sorry, don't mind my horrible singing, it's like really bad right now. I know, yeah, I just can't sing it all.
Don't be hating. No, there's some milk in there. That's honey.
That's
no,
mine.
There's some milk in there. Holly has some too. What song is that?
I don't know.
I like it. Go back to that song. No, hold on. Go back. What is this?
Maybe we should have a mannequin star.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Why'd you stop it again? Alright.
Yeah. Oh. Or that. Hi. Okay, ready? Yeah, let's go on. Oh! Oh! Sorry, I almost fell. Are you ready?
So did I.
Do the robot! It's called the robot, so do the robot. whatever. You guys are lucky.
Just reminds me of something like tea.
Ready?
Okay. That is so sad.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
Good
Okay.
morning. Oh! Good morning. Even though it's like 12:18 in the afternoon, as of 18 minutes ago, you know.
Yeah.
Is it sad that I used to have this as my ringtone?
Nope.
Okay. Well, my favorite one is. Why the heck is it two?
Oh, yeah.
Can you hear this?
That is.
Popping bottles and dipping. Around your butt, and it's tripping, baby. So don't get mad, nobody else tripping. See a lot of cooks and them crooks still crooks. See, I had a lot of cooks trying to steal it all hot. Never really had to, couldn't never figure out how to love. How to love. I love how it feels. I am so lonely. I have nobody. On my own. Oh, I'm so lonely. Definitely. I'm in a building. What? Whoa. Makes me feel like I'm the only girl in hell. Are you texting? Never know. Cause I'm the only one who knows God. Only girl in the world. Cause I'm the only one who wants to sing. I'm the only one who wants to sing. How to make it feel like a man. Yeah. You see right through me. You do that. How do you do that? How do you? How do you? How do you? How do you? You let me cry, and when they look at you, let me hide. I'm not hide. You made me greater. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Cause baby, you're a fire. Come on, little time.
Like, oh my gosh, get me out of here. Get me out of here. Come on. Come on, you come in.
Oh, that's a song. Mine, I'll be up in mine. I'll be so high, I could touch the sky. I'll be up in mine. I'll be up in mine. Yup, that's my car. Oh. Okay, well, we wasted all your time.
Sorry. Not really.
But it was pretty fun. Yeah, pretty fun. But before you go, I'd like you to enjoy our scenery while listening to a song. So, let me just get you a song. Okay, calm down. We're getting it for you. Okay?